Friends and family, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to unbox a HairVivi wig. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So it came in the usual, okay, so I'm hungry. Here it is. HairVivi. Same packaging as before. This is my second HairVivi wig, guys. I have loved seeing people, show the fantasticness of their wigs. And so I had to get me some. Okay, I just had to get me some. Packaging, I love this. What do you guys use these bags for? And sometimes when I'm traveling, I put some stuff in them, like, different types of makeup that I wanted to save. Okay, so here is the wig. This is the HD lace that they use, infamous HD lace. And let's look at the construction first. So you have the scalp, the fake scalp that they put there to mimic your scalp, and I think this is where that color comes in that you get to pick on their website. And then you have the HD lace, which is pre-plucked edges. It's pre-bleached. It is, basically transparent so that it can reflect your color, your skin color. Amazing, amazing. I'm like, where have you guys been, babies? And I got this beautiful wave. Gorgeous. Ooh, ooh, baby. The wig construction continued. We have the accordion type in here. I absolutely love it. It is not too dense where you don't get air on your scalp in the summertime, but it is also, strong enough to give you that firmness that you need, that security that you need on your head, right? It comes with the adjustable strap, which is fantastic. This is how you tighten it, right? Or loosen it. And of course, you can take it off if you want to, right? It's got that hook there. And then there are the smaller ones, adjustable straps, so you get to choose. These are the ones I've seen in some of the other wigs as well. Actually, every wig I have has some of these, but not this. And I love this because this is, I feel like it is more solid, it is firmer. You know what I mean? And it helps your edges to lay down flatter. I ordered the small cap. The small cap is 1 inch smaller than the medium cap. And I don't think my head is small, but my fear is always that the wig, eventually over time, the cap loosens up and then I have to figure out how to secure it. So, oh, this is giving me goddess. This is giving me, oh my goodness, somebody help me. Look at the scalp, listen. Somebody say something, say something there, because you can't tell me nothing when I'm wearing, oh my gosh. You can't tell me nothing now. I'm about to hit the town. You just can't say a word to me because I'm too gorgeous. I am just too gorgeous. I'm gonna have all the details in there. I don't remember how long this was, but I don't like long wigs because I'm short. I am barely 5 feet 2 inches tall. So, I am not doing the 25 inches, 30 inches, whatever the heck. I ain't doing that because I'm a midget. But I am absolutely loving this. This is just so gorgeous to me. So gorgeous to me. Wow, even my eyebrows are coming through just fine. You see that? I got this over my eyebrows, guys. So amazing. I always gotta comb it first. Yes. No shedded hair. None. Running my fingers through. Not even one strand, guys. Not even one strand. I am in love with this hair. Oh my gosh. I could comb it all day. I could just comb it all day. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? This wig has made me hungry. Made me hungry. Stop acting up. Not too bright. Okay, I think I want to change my earrings with this one. Let me make it something bright. So gorgeous, guys. Okay, I'm gonna cut the lace. Now, my hair, you see where my hairline is? My hairline is like this close to my brow. That's where my hairline ends, and that's where my brow is. But they have done it so that, I mean, it's as if they mimic my hairline, because they have it where you have the part that goes in, that's my hairline, goes in there and then comes out, and then it's just, okay, I'm gonna stop raving about this. And I bought this with my own money, guys. This is not a sponsored video. This is my own hard-earned coins, okay, that I used to buy this. Again, when you're cutting these laces, be very careful. Leave as much on there as you can at first, and then you can slowly cut more if you need to. Because if you start and you zoom and cut a whole lot, you can't get it back, as you all know. Okay, let me hold this here. And see. I am not one of those that glues my edges, my hairline for the wig down. I just don't do that. I like the way it looks when people do it, but I feel that because my natural hairline is already thin, that those chemicals may do something to it. You know what I mean? You are my African queen, girl of my dreams. You remind me of a thing, and that is the African beauty. Ooh, you are my African queen. Ooh, Lord, ooh, Lord. Out of you stand as one, the outstanding one. Eh. Girl, all I see is paradise. So I have to figure out how to make this lie down. Maybe I'll just glue here. I'm not a baby hairs person, guys. I don't do baby hairs, but if you wanted to, you could definitely slay baby hairs with this stuff, okay? Because they have made the edges, it's already pre-plucked for you. As you can see, pre-plucked baby cakes. So the road is your face. I love you, I love you, I love you. Unyemo, I love you, I love you. Oh yeah, my African queen. I love you, I love you. I love that song. Hey. Okay, I have hair in my mouth. Dude, I can't, here we go. Okay, so if you want to straighten this hair, it is definitely, it's human hair, so you can do that. But I bought it because I want a wash and go. Okay, guys? And I'm not usually somebody that parts my hair in the middle, but this middle part is giving me life. So I'm gonna leave it as it is. Oh. Take take a picture, click, take a picture, click, take a picture. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. So again, this is my own coins. Ooh, this hair is rogue. Okay, come on out here. Ain't nobody got time for that. You are not going to be standing up when I'm trying to tell you to lie down. Okay. Ooh, you like it? Okay, that's enough. So all the details is going to be down below in the description box. Make sure to check it out. The name of the wig, the color, the length, and the size of the wig cap, which I told you already. I picked small. My head is not typically small, but the small fits perfectly on me. So I'm wondering now if I got a medium, what it would look like. But the difference in size between the medium and the small is just 1 inch. If you look at the measurements, they do the circumference for you, and it's just a 1 inch difference. So I would rather go smaller. That's just me. I am just loving this. Oh my gosh, guys. Whew. I don't know what to do with myself. I gotta find somewhere to go because this right here can't just stay home. Okay, can't just stay home. All right. So if you have any other questions about it, let me know. You have my email. You can email me. You can put it in the comments box below, and I'll answer all your questions as soon as I see them. Okay. Thank you again, as always, for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this review and the fabulousness of this hair, and I will see you in the very next video.